Good evening to everyone. Today we are from Analog System project. We're gonna do a project which is known as the phone detector, which is there is a sensor to detect the phone when it is ringing. Then it will come out with the louder sound. This is our main project. Okay, first I'm gonna introduce you. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Azmi. This is my friends member, which is Nafis, Tinagaran, Afiq, and Aiman Nur. The main purpose of us to do this project is to show to you that we have a sensor that can detect the phone when it is ringing. So I'm gonna show to you the functional of phone detector after this. But let me show you first for the components. Okay. This is for the IC. This is the transistor. This is all the 2.2 mega ohm resistor, 1k resistor, and also 100k resistor. And this is for the capacitor, 0.22 microfarad capacitor, and also for 47 picofarad capacitor. And this is for the transistor. This is for the capacitor, 100. Okay. And this is our project. The functional for this, I'm gonna let my others member to introduce it to you. That's all.
Here is our circuit configuration of simulation for the cell phone detector. From the circuit, we can see here is transistor connect to the resistor and the speaker. And here is op-amp connect right to the base of the transistor. And the circuit is completely the same with the circuit we have done. And next I will show you guys the coding for this. Okay, here is the result of the operation of the circuit configuration for cell phone detector. From the result, we can see that here V stands for the voltage from the circuit, and here is the value of the voltage, and the below is current. I stand for current, and here is the value for the current, and that's it for the result.
Okay, so this is a circuit from the simulation we have built by using transistor, op-amp, capacitor and resistor, and also a buzzer. Okay, so in this project we use op-amp, also act as a LM339, react as a comparator. When we put the phone at here, the transistor will detect the radiation of the phone, so the buzzer will sound loudly. Okay, so I will move to Afirizo to present the demo of the circuit. Okay, after Ahmad explain about the op-amp, today I would like to explain about the BJT BC547 function. Here is a simple BJT BC547 is used in common emitter mode. Since the output signal is of low value, the emitter resistor is not required in this case. The collector resistor value is determined by the value of the battery voltage, collector emitter voltage, and collector current. Now, the battery voltage is chosen to be 9 volt. 9 volt. This is a battery. We use 9 volt voltage to supply on this circuit to make sure the alarm will be sound more loudly. Okay, that's all from me. Now we go to our project. We use the handphone to as a radiation will make sure the buzzer will sound in more loud. So when we call this, when somebody calls to me and the
and my handphone will be sound.
Okay.
The battery, as we supply the battery 9 volt here, the circuit will produce the sounds from the buzzer. Okay, as somebody calls me, so my handphone will be sound, and the radiation from the handphone will make sure the alarm will sound loudly. Okay, let's we start our demonstration for this experiment. Okay. Okay, now you see. Okay, now you see. When the somebody calls me, the radiation from the handphone make sure the current flow into the circuit, and the buzzer will alarm loudly. That's all from me. We have Tina Gagan to explain about the application of the experiment to our life.
3.
Okay, so now we have a phone tester here. So what's the daily application that we can use the phone tester in our life is that this device can be used in a gas pump, because if like somebody calls in the gas pump, and then it would sound danger for other people. So it would be like there will be an alarm that goes off, so that to remind the people that do not answer the call or you'll die, something like that. And this device can be also useful in examination halls, so that the students cannot like contact with other people, even if somebody calls from outside, if they are using earphone or something like that, they manage to sneak in a handphone inside. If there is something ringing, if the phone rings, then we can know that somebody is like cheating in the exam, and then we can have a spot check on that day, so that we could have a little like more honest system, that so that we can make sure that nobody cheats on the exams. That's all. Thank you.